If you want to create YouTube shorts without paying a dime, this video is the right video for you, right? So in this video, I am going to guide you on how you can create YouTube video short with AI for free. Let's get into it. Welcome to Sasmedia Studio. Make sure you subscribe if you want this kind of content and like this video. Right. Those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy that will teach you how to create an SMTP server that can send more than 20,000 of emails. Make sure you check that course out. And those who want to buy tools, SMTPs, webmails, and other stuff, make sure you check out shop.smartvidpro.com. All right, so now this is my YouTube channel. There are a lot of videos, AI tools videos out there, right? Make sure you go and check those videos out, right? Good. Now this is the website you are going to use, nvidia.io, right? And I'll leave the link at the description. Click on it and you'll be redirected to this page, right? We are going to use this to create our YouTube short video, and you can be making money with this, right? So what you are going to do is that we are going to firstly create an account. So we can create an account by entering our email address over here, or by using an SSO, which is either with Google or with Apple. I prefer you use Google or Apple because it does not require any manual verification. So I'm going to just click on continue with Google. Those who want to learn how to create Gmail account without phone number verification, I've already made a video on that. Make sure you check it out. And if you want to learn how to create bulk Gmail account, I have a video as well. I'll leave it at the description. Make sure you check it out. Right, good. So I'm going to select my Gmail account. All these Gmails I created without phone number, right? I'm just going to click on this one, scroll down, and I'm going to click continue. All right, so I just have to wait. So it says yes, that's my name, that's my yes. I can just choose any year, right? I can choose 2000, but I'm older than that though. I'm going to click on continue. All right, so I'm just going to select the first one, and I'm going to click on continue. That is for TikToks, Reels, and Short, right? Good. All right, so this is the platform. So we are going to use prompt to create the video. What do we mean by prompt? Prompt is basically a language that AI understand, right? So this is an AI tool, and the only language it understand is prompt, right? And we are not going to write the prompt ourselves, right? So what we are going to do is that we are going to use chatgpt to write the prompt. We are going to make another AI write the prompt for us, right? And yes, so let's say we want to create a video about Sasmedia Studio, right? What Sasmedia Studio is about and why you should subscribe to Sasmedia Studio, right? Yes, so that's what I'm going to do. For this kind of video, I want to use the search feature because I want ChatGPT to search my YouTube channel on Google or other search engines, you understand, so that it will understand what my channel is about and create a prompt for me. So I have to log in. If you haven't logged in, you cannot use that feature, right? So I'm going to log in quickly and get back to you. All right, so I have logged in into my ChatGPT accounts, right? So I just have to click on the plus sign over here, and I have to just hover my pointer on more and just click on web search, right? So I'm just going to tell it to write a prompt for me to create a YouTube short video about Sasmedia Studio, right? The English is not going to be proper here, but ChatGPT is going to write a proper English prompt for us, right? All right, so this is what I wrote. I want to create a YouTube short about Sasmedia Studio YouTube channel and why people should subscribe. So please write a prompt for that for me. It's not a proper grammar, right? But don't worry. So I'm just going to click here and wait for ChatGPT to, give us some answer. And you are not always going to get it for the first time, you understand? So you don't have to worry. Keep on trying. So this is it. And every week I dropping content on viral content. Okay, right? So that's my I create the videos about AI and Google AI Studio tricks and viral digital whatever. So this is the prompt. I can keep on telling it to maybe to do more research, right? So do more search about Sasmedia Studio, especially latest videos. All right, so I'm telling it to do more research about Sasmedia Studio, especially latest videos. So I'm just going to do this and let's see if it's going to refine. Okay, so this is what it found. Okay, so how to get free RDP, Proton VPN. Yes, that's my YouTube channel. That shows that actually it found my YouTube channel, right? Good. So yes, yes. So if you like, I can analyze the performance of each of these and pick 3 trades that make a hit for your hit video for your channel. Then we can craft a shot with on-screen test crew roles, whatever, tailored to your style. So with this information, write a prompt on why people should subscribe, then enter. All right, so this is it. All right, good. So I'm going to copy this from the hook to the action, right? I'm then going to copy this and I'm going back to our AI tool over here, right? And I'm going to paste it inside this section and I'm going to click on generate my video. So I just have to wait, sit back, grab some cocoa and wait for it to generate my YouTube short for me. All right, so now, so the duration is 35 seconds. So yes, YouTube is chosen. We can add our logo over here, which I'm not going to do that. Right, we can choose the basic, pro or the ultra, but I'm going to use the pro, or better. So this, that's 1 credit. Pro, whoa, that is 12 credit. I don't know the credit we have now. Let me see. I'm not sure if we have more credits. Okay, so I think well, total credit, we have only 1 credit, right? So that means we cannot use the pro. Well, let me click on pro and let's see. Okay, it says I should buy, right? Or let me continue with free, right? So continue. So that means I can use only the basic. Now basically this is for the stock images, right? The pictures it's going to use and the videos it's going to use, right? So we are going for the basic one and just click on generate over here and we just have to wait, all right, for it to generate the video for us. So what it did earlier was crafting the script and other stuff, and now it is generating the video itself for us, right? So let's give it some time again for it to do just that for us. All right, so as you can see, it has been done, right? So when I click on play over here,
want to build your next tech project without spending a dime?
Going to
Keep watching.
the video
On
for us.
Sasmedia Studio,
right.
I dive
so
into free tools,
so you can
AI
see it is
hacks,
showing my YouTube channel. You see how great it is. Yes.
step-by-step
so after you
tutorials
are
for
done,
developers,
right,
digital marketers,
so you can
SaaS
see,
founders, and tech creators.
Whether
So
you're
this is
new
very
or
great.
experienced,
You
you'll find easy to
increase the
follow
volume.
guides on things like
Let me
setting up a
just increase the
VPS,
volume.
extracting bulk emails, launching your first... Yes, for real, no fluff. Examples. How to get free RDP with no card. How to build your own email server in minutes. If you subscribe, you'll stay ahead of the curve. You'll get turned on tech tools before they go mainstream, and you'll learn how to use them right away. You don't need to be a coding expert. I've built this for beginners and pros alike. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a tutorial that could change your game. Let's build something awesome together.
So this is really amazing and you can post this on your YouTube channel. Now it has a watermark over here, so all you have to do is that you have to edit it in CapCut, or you can use Instagram's editor, right, to edit it. They are all free editors and you can just write something to cover this, you understand. You can put any shape there and you write your name over there, right, just to cover this watermark, or better you can just leave it. Right, after you are okay with everything, you can download this video, right? So you can just click on edit and download, all right, and you click on download over here. So when I use stock watermarks, I use normal, I use 720, or maybe I can use 180, and I click continue, I'll just download my video. Right now, if you use higher stuff, then you will have to pay for it. Right, so that's it. So waiting for your turn, preparing media, and it is rendering. Right, it will render and my video will be downloaded, and I can choose to post it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. Right, so basically this is how you can create an AI video, AI YouTube short video for free without paying a dime. Right, so what we did is that we created a prompt using ChatGPT, right? And we created an account on invideo.io, and we entered the prompt, and it generated the videos for us. And now we are downloading that video. And you can see it is 81 megabyte of video now. Right, my network is slow now, so I can't download. I can't wait for it to finish before I wrap up the video. So basically this is how you can do it. Right, those who want to learn how to create an smtp server, I have a course on Udemy that can teach you how to create an smtp server that can send more than 20,000 of emails. So if you want that course, check out the description and also at the first comment. And if you want to buy tools, make sure you check shop.smartvidpro.com. Subscribe if you want this kind of content. If you have any comment or suggestion, leave it at the comment section. And thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.